SAP Fiori is the leading design for all SAP applications. SAP is evolving the Fiori experience to all SAP solutions over time. At least that's the current plan. This will provide a harmonized user experience across on-premise and cloud solutions. SAP Fiori 2.0 is the next significant step in SAP's evolution of user experience for business applications. A new design concept, along with a new visual theme known as Belize. SAP Fiori 2.0 is a user experience for SAP S/4HANA and other solutions. This video will give you an overview of some key benefits of what is available today for the SAP S/4HANA as well as SAP Business Suites using Fiori. The SAP Fiori Launchpad is your single entry point to access all apps. With Fiori 2.0, you can get to where you want to go faster, and the whole experience is much more enjoyable. With the viewport concept, the desktop has been extended to both the left and to the right. Users are notified about important things via notifications visible on the right. They can easily move to the viewport to get right to where they need to complete the list of notifications, which can include actions to directly process workflow items. Clicking on the notification title brings a user directly to the underlying app, such as My Inbox for approving workflow items. On the left, users can enter the Me area and access recently used apps, as well as personalize their user experience with such things like defining settings, obtaining help, etc. Both the Me area and the notification area can be accessed from any SAP Fiori app, so the user can navigate to other apps quickly without having to first go back to the home page and clicking on a tile. In order to improve the user's experience, the following features are available in Fiori. 3 items from the Fiori Launchpad, which are the user feedback, support ticket, and contextual help, as well as previously mentioned business notifications in the Launchpad. There's also the tab bar and content delivery network. End user feedback allows the end user to report bugs, issues, or any feedback. This information is centrally collected in the SAP Cloud Platform anonymously. It also provides SAP the opportunity to use this information to make continuous improvements. Support tickets. Similar to the feedback option, users can open up a support ticket to report errors from directly within Fiori. This ties into your company's solution manager and allows your SAP support team to receive, address, and track support tickets, while making the end user experience of submitting a ticket easy and streamlined. Contextual help is another nice tool. It assists the user by displaying more information or help as the user scrolls over a particular area, helping to empower that user. As previously mentioned towards the beginning of this video, business notifications, like workflow items, are now available right in the Launchpad. Fiori 2.0 ushered in the introduction of the tab bar functionality. In the older versions of Fiori, all the homepage apps were displayed on a single page. That meant that every time you went to the home screen, every app tile had to load. This created performance issues. The more apps a user had access to, the longer it would take the page to load. In some cases, it could have taken up to 30 seconds. Now with the tab bar functionality, Fiori collapses which apps are shown and boosts the performance of homepage by up to 2/3 or even more. Content Delivery Network. As of 2018, this will be a paid service, so you'll need to ask your SAP rep about it. However, the idea is that it allows you to make a SAP UI5 library call to the server that's closest to you geographically, cutting the latency on the content calls. Because every call to the SAP UI5 library has to load the entire content library. So for example, previously loading a Fiori home screen involved 72 requests and up to 2.2 megabytes of data transferred, which took 22.5 seconds. However, by activating the CDN and the tab bar feature, Fiori does 66 requests and 2.0 megabytes of data transfer in 10 seconds. Just to note, there are about 25,000 transactions available in ERP or S4. So the first thing we need to keep in mind is that adding all these is a huge undertaking. SAP is constantly delivering hundreds of new transactional apps all the time, but this will still take time. Another new Fiori 2.0 feature is the App Finder. It is available in release 16.10 and beyond. It is the same menu as the traditional SAP GUI backend for people used to using older SAP GUI navigation. The App Finder is great for custom transactions or a standard transaction that's not currently available in Fiori. It allows users the ability to easily add tiles to the Fiori home screen in just a few clicks. It also automatically renders that tile in the new harmonized Belize theme as all the other Fiori apps. So you will get a harmonized user experience across the platform. On a slightly more system administrative technical side, when building user roles and profiles, you can now use a new tool called Fiori App Recommendator tool. All you do is just create a list of the SAP transactions in Excel that you want to give a user or a role. You upload with the tool, and SAP will give you an applicable Fiori app from the catalog as a match. This has been a quick snapshot of just a few of the SAP Fiori 2.0 updates that users would find interesting. If you have others, please leave a comment. Thank you.